Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enter a promo code on SSENSE. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so for this demonstration I'm going to be using my web browser here. So I'm going to go to sense.com, and now for this demonstration I'm going to put a random product into my cart. So I'm just going to click on menswear. Might add in this Tony Wack black double-breasted leather coat. So I want to put this into my checkout. I'm going to choose a size, so I'm going to do XL. Now I'm going to click add to bag. And now what we need to do is basically we need to head to the checkout section to add the promo code. So I'm just going to remove these shoes that I was going to get earlier. Alright, that looks all good. So as you can see, there's no place here to put in a promo code. So I'm going to click on proceed to checkout. And now on the checkout page is where you should be able to find where to enter in the promo code. But as I've noticed, I've done a couple of these now, there's no spot to put in promo codes at this point in time. So what I've done, I've looked at SSENSE's price protection policy and promotion guide. So if I scroll down and go to where it says promotion and codes, so as it states here, SSENSE occasionally offers promotional codes to loyal customers. When attempting to apply these codes, please note that some conditions may apply. So if you don't see any promo codes or coupon code spots to put in at the checkout section, there currently isn't any available promo code deals for SSENSE, but if you check back at a later date, they might add it back in.